We're doing something a little bit different today, JT crew. I'm on my way to the lake to meet Andy with extreme sailing and foiling. He's going to show me how to surf foil. I've never surf foiled in my life. So this is either going to be awesome and fun, or you're going to see me make a fool out of myself. How's it going, man?
That's a badass machine right there.
Thank you.
Supercharged?
Nah, this one's the non-supercharged.
Oh, just naturally aspirated
Yeah.
output?
So yeah, surf foiling, harder than it looks. I haven't gotten up on it after about 10 tries for switching out boards.
Alright, so we make sure it's pointing the right direction. Let's try it being 4 inches off that.
Okay.
And then more like right here for a second.
Alright,
Yeah,
cool.
you're gonna like this once you can get it. And then it'll be video worthy.
I did it! Not really.